The Pixel 11 Pro XL is almost here, and Google is quietly making moves that could change everything you thought you knew about its performance, battery, and AI. Some upgrades are disguised as tiny tweaks, while hidden compromises could catch even the most loyal fans off guard. If you think this is just another Pixel, think again. Google is playing a long game. If you enjoy uncovering tech secrets that most channels gloss over, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe. Here, we dig into the details Google doesn't advertise, the hidden tweaks that shape your experience months before anyone else notices. Let's start with perhaps the quietest but most powerful change, the modem. The Pixel 10 Pro XL stuck with Samsung's familiar setup, but leaks suggest the Pixel 11 Pro XL may switch to MediaTek's M90. At first glance, it seems like just a chip swap, but this tiny change could ripple through your entire experience. Dual 5G active connections, AI-powered optimizations, and potential download speeds up to 12 gigabits per second aren't just numbers. They could make every app feel faster, every video load smoother, and your battery last longer without you even realizing it. Months from now, when your phone runs cooler under heavy loads, that's when the quiet genius of this move becomes obvious. The camera system is where things get even more interesting. Google's known for computational photography, but early leaks hint at a subtle shift. One of the main sensors may see a minor resolution downgrade, while the AI processing engine gains massive improvements for night and motion photography. This isn't something most reviewers will flag. They'll see the AI enhancements and call it a win. But behind the scenes, Google is balancing hardware and software in a way that redefines what better photos actually means. You might find that low-light shots look sharper than ever, yet one tiny hardware tweak flew under the radar. It's the kind of change that only reveals itself when you really test the camera under real-world conditions. Now, let's talk about the Tensor G6 chip. On paper, it's an iterative upgrade, but this chip quietly changes the energy game. AI-driven efficiency tweaks in Tensor G6 could make background apps drain far less battery and reduce thermal throttling almost entirely. But here's the twist. Some older apps may behave differently because the chip is optimizing processes in ways most developers haven't accounted for. It's invisible until you notice, and when you do, it might feel like your phone is behaving unexpectedly. That's Google's gamble, optimizing the system at a level so subtle that most users never realize what's happening. It's a long-term play that rewards patience, but it could leave casual users scratching their heads. Even the display may hold secrets. Rumors point to a dynamic refresh smoothing feature that not only adapts frame rate to content, but also balances battery usage. Think you're just watching a video or scrolling social media? The phone is secretly adjusting refresh rates to maximize smoothness and efficiency, making animations feel buttery while stretching battery life. To the naked eye, it seems seamless, but this is exactly the type of hidden upgrade that could redefine how you experience the device day to day. There's also whispers about design tweaks. Nothing drastic, but subtle refinements that reduce weight and improve heat dissipation. It's not flashy, but these changes directly impact comfort during prolonged use and could influence how long your device lasts under heavy gaming or work tasks. While the Pixel 11 Pro XL may look like a minor evolution compared to the Pixel 10 Pro XL, under the hood, almost everything is quietly smarter. So, what does all this mean for the long-term Pixel experience? If Google pulls this off, we're looking at a phone that feels faster, smarter, and more efficient, without the user ever realizing why. But the catch is always the same. Hidden compromises might surface later. Certain apps may behave differently, or subtle performance quirks may appear, and only those paying attention will notice. The Pixel 11 Pro XL could redefine what we expect from a flagship, but it also tests how much trust we place in these invisible upgrades. And here's the most exciting part. None of this has been officially confirmed yet. Every leak, every whisper, is part of a puzzle that only becomes clear when the phone lands in real hands. That's where the discussion really begins. What do you think about these hidden tweaks? Could Google's quiet changes really reshape the flagship landscape? Or will we only notice the trade-offs months later? Comment your thoughts, replay the video to catch subtle details, and watch closely. The Pixel 11 Pro XL may be hiding more surprises than anyone expects.